Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the steps for running the map test. The first step, you have to open the website for NWEA. To open the website, it's easy to start it. The website nwea.org from any browsers, Internet Explorer or Firefox or Google Chrome. Start the website, the normal website for nwea.org. Then click on logins, and from logins there are all the websites for the map test. We already have the web-based map. Click on map login. Then you have to write the username and password. If you already have a username and password, you write your password, type it, and also the password for you, and login. You have to wait until the screen of map testing will be displayed in the monitor, and then start the steps for the proctors. Sometimes the server is so slow, you have to wait and be patient until the NW admin to work. If you are a proctor, the screen for proctor, it will be displayed in front of you and you can running easily. Okay, when the screen for academic progress test coming in front of you, you can find here manage students and manage test sessions. Just click on manage test session. Now you have two options. The first one, if you want to create new sessions to your students, or if you have already sessions and you want use the sessions already created before. If we have session already created before, just click on the session and test now. But I have to start now to show you how to create session by yourself. Just click on find students to test, and when you click on find sessions to test, students to test, you can the other window will be displayed in front of you and started by the school. You have to take Marat Al-Shirqi International School Boys, and which grade you want to do test for him. For example, I want for grade 9A, and which instructor. You can take all instructor, or if for example Navid is a proctor and you want created by his name, you can click on his name, then after that continue, or all instructor, then which exam I want do for grade 9A is English, then click English and click search. When I click search, all the students name will be displayed down, and you have to click on add students. Then after that, all the students will be displayed down here. You have to select all of them if you want. If you want to exam only one students or two, you can click which one you want to exam them. But if you want all of them do this exam, in this case you have to click on last name. When you click on last names, at the beginning. Okay, here all of them will be selected, and after that you can assign test for them. Click on assign test. But before to click on test now, you have to do test. How to do? By assigning your test. Click assign test. Okay, select or remove test assignment for student selected. You can select the test from here. Which test I want? For example, I want reading for grade 9. Reading for grade 9, this exam map reading 6 plus. 6 plus means grade 6 and above. Click on 6 plus Common Core, then after that click assign. When you assign the test, you have to go down again to save it. Click save session, and then you have to give name for the session. For example, grade 9A reading, or if you want capital 9A reading. It's easy testing session name. Why? Because students will be typing this name later, and no need to write big one. 9AR means 9A reading. Then save and exit. Okay, now you can do the exam easily. Click on show, and after that you can see all the exams. Which exam you want do now for, and for which class you can find easily. Now I want to do test for grade 9A, and which exam reading. Then click on 9AR and click on test now. Please wait until the 3 option it will come to you: save, test now, or edit or delete. I want test now. Click on test now. Yes, when you click on test now, the name of students will be displayed in front of you, all of them, and waiting for what? To confirm them. When you confirm, the exam will be start. But in the other side, the student should start the lockdown software to start the exam. How to start it? It's so easy. The teacher will open lockdown browser from the interface of the Windows 8 or 7, and then ask students to write the session name and also try the password. But until I don't know the session name and the password, from where can I get the session name and password? Yes, this screen will be displayed in the student's computer. It's not in the proctor computer. In the student's computers, you can know now the username and the session name and password. The session name is 9AR and the password is 8419. Is 8419. In this case, 8419. Give this password to the students. Okay? Write the session name and the password on the board and ask students to look at the board to see the session name and password. All the students should write the same session name and the same password for that session. Then, after the screen will be displayed for the students has a session name and password, you have to confirm the test and ask students to start test. If the server is slow, you have to be patient until open it. Depend about the speed of internet. Yes. Here 9 A R and I think 8417. I think click on join. If the password is wrong, please enter the correct session name and password. And I don't remember the password because I'm not writing it. Okay, in this case, the password is 8419, not 8417. It's 8419. The student should write the correct password, 8419. Okay, session name is 9A reading and 8419. Then click join. Students will click join, not the proctor. Then the student should select his name from the list. For example, Ahmad Yakut. Okay, and after that the student should click on next. Then the computer will display a screen for the students to ask him, is this correct? Means is it your name? If yes, the student should click yes and wait for what? For confirm. Please wait for the proctor to confirm your information. You have to wait until the proctor. Look, Ahmed Yakut now, he's waiting your confirmations. Look, Ahmed Yakut, he's waiting to be confirmed. When you click on confirm, Ahmed Yakut, he can start the exam. If you didn't click confirm, he cannot start the exam. In the exam session, you have to wait until all the students select their names and click yes, and all the list here to be confirmed. Then click confirm only one time for them, and all of them will be start the exam together at the same moment. If any problem happen with anyone, you can choose the person and then you can click on don't confirm and ask him to write the session name and password again, then confirm. Or if anyone wants to go to bathroom or break, you can click on both and then click resume after he will come back. If anyone he cannot finish his exam at the moment, he will take too much time, you can suspend him and suspend him for 1 day or more, then click resume when come back to complete his exams. You can also, if he finished the exam but his score not good and he wants to test again, you can click on test again. You can terminate his computers if any problem happen in the hardware. You can stop his computer, terminate it, then fix his computer and confirm him again. After you finished and you click on refresh status every 2 minutes to check the status here. The students still testing or completed. When all of them completed the exam, you can click on end test session, end testing session. When you click end testing session, the computer will be displaying a new window for ending testing session. Are you sure you want to end this testing session? Yes, end testing session. In this case, he will ask you, do you want to save it or you want to delete it? If you want to repeat this exam to one or more students, to you suppose you suspend or pause or terminated someone and you want to repeat it again for him, in this case you have to click on save and exit. But if you complete it for all and you don't need this exam again, you can click on delete session because you don't need it. Automatically will be saved every 60 seconds. The data it will be saved automatically every 60 seconds. Don't worry about the results and scores because it will be saved automatically and sent to the report automatically. In this case, click on save and exit because I need this exam later. That is it.